Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Your Values. Today, a video, 5 life hacks that really made my life beautiful, easy to live, and very happy and incredible. First of all, ask questions and be curious. I was always afraid to ask questions, and this is the only way you learn. You discover things, you get more knowledge, and you discover all the beauties and the treasures of life. Second of all, do not think about what other people think. Now, everybody says this. It doesn't mean you should disrespect people. It means that if you want to do a job or want to do an activity, don't be afraid of what people are going to think about you. Do what you want to do in the limits of other people's respect. Like, respect people. Do what you want to do and respect people. Third of all, the capacity of wonder. Be amazed, be surprised by life. I'm gonna do a video about that soon. When I was depressed, I challenged myself to have 1 week a day where I would be over amazed about everything. Oh my God, a flower. Oh my God, a lamp. Oh my God, the sky. It's so beautiful. And in fact, it really put me in a good mood. And this capacity of always being amazed of you have a roof, you have food, you have water. Every morning I practice gratefulness, which is the last value of your values. And it's very important. You will see, you will be happy and everything will be, and notice the small things in life, the birds flying, the flowers growing. This is true beauty and true happiness. Spend time outside and not on your phone. Now, I'm filming a video. It's not a good example, but I believe the time you spend on screens is to work or to cultivate yourself, but otherwise spend it in nature, speaking to people, petting animals, watering your plants. This is incredible what nature offers, and it puts you in a good mood, and it's healthy. It's good for your health, where screens are really bad and puts you in a bad mood. And lastly, I would say take care of your close one. Give love, but intangibly, a smile, advice, a hug, some love. If I give you love or happiness, I'm not going to be more unhappy. In fact, I will be even happier. Intangible is infinite. Where tangible, I give you money, I will be poorer. So it is finite. Fini. It has an end. Tangible, and intangible has no end. So give love, be amazed, be happy. Don't think about what other people think. Be respectful, ask questions, love life. Have a beautiful day. Feel free to message me or to share this video if you need to. Have a beautiful day. See you soon on Your Values.